Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am so excited to finally be showing you guys this. I've been wanting to do this for like 2 years. My pantry is insane. I don't think it actually is meant to be a pantry. You guys will see in a minute. The shelves are so deep and they're all like different sizes. It's just like a homemade system that has not been working. When we moved into the house, it was like this, and I've just been dealing with it for a while now. So it was definitely time to completely redo it. So basically I'm gonna be taking everything out, reorganizing everything. I'm going to be taking apart the shelving system that's inside the closet, painting in there, and putting in a new shelving system. So I'm really excited, and hopefully I will actually get some more use out of my pantry, because right now it's so difficult. No matter how many times that I reorganize it, it just ends up getting like, things just get shoved in there because it's just so, it's so hard to keep organized. You guys will see when I show you. Hey you guys, so this is the quick overview of what my pantry looks like. So as you can see, I don't think it actually was meant to be a pantry. I think it was actually meant to be a closet, like a jacket closet, because it is right by the door here. But we need a pantry in this house. So, and the people before us clearly did as well. But as you can see, like some shelves come out this far, some go way in like that. They're all different sizes, and everything just gets shoved in here because it is so difficult. If you need something way at the back, way back there, it's so hard to get to that no matter how many times I've tried to organize it, it ends up a big mess. And then look at down here. I have so many plastic bags. Like, this is embarrassing. All these mops and stuff, this has got to come out of here. The vacuum's got to come out of here. Stuff that doesn't need to be in here. So I am so excited to show you guys what it was before. Now let's get working on the after. Okay, so I'm going to start by moving my table out of my way. I usually have it sitting in the middle of this room, and I'm just going to take everything off it because I'm going to end up probably taking up this entire table to empty my pantry. I went to Dollar Tree and I picked up a bunch of different organizers. I wanted all the organizers to be white because right now I have some organizers in there. They're not doing any job organizing whatsoever. They're random colors, and I just wanted everything to be uniform. So I got a bunch of different sizes of white organizers. I'm going to lay everything out, and I'm going to attempt to organize as much as I can right off the bat into these organizers. How many times am I going to say the word organize? Probably a lot in this video. But anyways, I'm just going to empty everything out of the pantry, try and put it all into these bins, and try and get as much organization as possible right off the bat before I can like clean everything out and remove the shelves.
No way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. You make me anxious. I think I might be stuck on you. I love the things you did for me. It seems that you're dropping clues. There's no need to rush, so let's just take our time. Dropping everything, 'cause you're stuck on my mind. My mind. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. So just sit with me, talking through the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be.
I don't wanna seem all rude, but I can't remember where I am. A mattress on an old wood floor and fragments of the night before. I don't wanna waste no time, and you don't wanna waste your love. Even though your kiss on fire, my mind is all blurry now. Feeling.
So as you guys can see, I had a huge mess here that I had to vacuum up. I had my cat food spill out everywhere. There was just like crumbs and all sorts of things all over the floor. So I wanted to go ahead and vacuum that all up before I started to remove the shelves.
Don't even know, but I guess it makes sense, 'cause I know we both learned everything that happened last night. So just come back to bed. I wanna hold you. Come back to bed.
So you guys are going to see here in a minute how ridiculous these shelves really were. As you guys can probably already tell, they were all different sizes. They were all just like thrown in here. Look at how long some of these risers are. It just was not a good situation at all. I'm surprised it took me this long to actually do this. And also some of the shelves were screwed into place and some were nailed into place, and then they were painted over, so I ended up having to use a crowbar later. This was a real project to try to dismantle. And I'm just so happy that I finally got it all done.
But this I know, I won't leave. Waking up in a bed with my head on the chest that I don't even know, but I guess it makes sense, 'cause I know we both learned everything that happened last night. So just come back to bed. I wanna hold you. Come back to bed. Oh, just come back to bed. You look so good wrapped in those sheets. You sound so nice, mumble while you sleep. Waking up in a bed with my head on the chest that I don't even know, but I guess it makes sense, 'cause I know we both learned everything that happened last night. So just come back to bed. I wanna hold you. Come back to bed. Oh, just come back to bed. Oh, just come.
It's now much later into the evening, and I've got all of the shelves removed, and I'm just going to put some spackle over the spots that you're probably going to see. I'm not going to end up doing the entire closet because most of it is going to be hidden by the shelves and all this stuff, but I knew that the shelves that I was going to be putting in were going to be a lot less depth than what was there before, so I knew that I wanted to spackle over the parts that you were going to see, if that makes sense.
Now into an endless hole. When you come, everything just turns around. I get stunned by your drum. I follow you into the sun. Shoot a race like a shotgun. You gotta be my someone.
After I have spackled and sanded everything down, I want to go ahead and vacuum up all of the dust so that I'm not stepping in it as I'm trying to paint. I am going to also just wipe down the closet, and to do this really easily, I'm just going to use my Swiffer and I'm going to put a wet towel over it and just wipe down the walls. That's the easiest way to do it to get rid of dust, and just also clean, the closet just from anything that was spilled on there beforehand. And then we're going to get to painting.
come, everything just turns around. I get stunned by your drum. I follow you into the sun. Shooting race like a shotgun. You gotta be my someone.
So now I'm starting to paint, and I just chose a light gray color to go into the pantry. It comes off a little bit darker on camera, but it is a little bit lighter in person. And I think this will be the perfect color, just something nice and neutral that's not going to bother me and that I can keep like this for years without having to repaint.
Everything just turns around. I get stunned by your drum. I follow you into the sun. Shooting race like a shotgun. You gotta be my someone.
Now, while I'm waiting for my paint to dry, I decided to go ahead and just mark out my shelving where I need to cut it. So I just bought these long boards from Home Depot, and I'm just measuring the shelves that I need, and I'm going to go out and cut them. And I'm also going to cut the boards that I'm going to be using to hang the shelves off of. You guys will see that probably doesn't really make sense when I say that, but you guys will see as I'm doing it here. And then I'm going to start installing the shelves. So I'm just trying to measure everything to get everything level. And then I'm going to just screw these boards in and then lay my shelving across the top.
I love the way that you move when you dance to the music. The way your feet seem to float above the floor. How your eyes start to glow when I get close to you, baby. Come on and shake it like you did before. Just a silhouette in flashing light, moving like a cat on the floor, shining like a falling star. You're bringing me down for sure. Your shaded smile shows who you are, 'cause you've heard everything before. I'm looking for something that I can desire. I'm looking for someone to light up my fire. I love the way that you move when you dance to the music. The way your feet seem to float above the floor. How your eyes start to glow when I get close to you, baby. Come on and shake it like you did before. The way that you move when you dance to the music. The way your feet seem to float above the floor.
Alright, so all of my shelves have been installed, and now comes the fun part of trying to put everything back. And I ended up losing a little bit of space, but it actually worked out really well. And you guys will see the after in a little while, and I think you're going to be really surprised and happy with it, just like I was.
Last night was the best night. what I want the most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn. No, deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in.
All right, guys, so we have our after. We did end up losing a little bit of space, so I did have to take a little bit of stuff down to our cold room, but it is so much easier to reach things now. It is unbelievable, the difference. Like, I don't have things shoved way in the back where I can't get it. I can just get in here, pick out whatever I need. It's all easily accessible, and I'm so happy with the results.
You wanna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kissed me slowly and had me in your arms? If I could make you see it, baby, would be something to make the starlight jealous up above.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know